So in this design wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to adjust letter spacing in design wizard. So once you have design wizard open up on your device, you first off have to add some text to your design. So I go to the left hand side of your screen here, go to the text icon at the bottom, press on text. I'm going to select add a heading, but it doesn't really matter what you select. From here, for this tutorial, I'm just going to type in, how about I type in letter spacing? Just to show you guys what I mean by this, what I will also do is just make the text a little bit larger in size. So it's easier for you guys to see. So as of right now, the letter spacing looks pretty normal. Now, if you wanted to adjust it, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the text you want to adjust it for. I go to this top bar right here to this option that says spacing. So it's right between the bold logo as well as the text align option. Press on letter spacing. So letter spacing is here at the top. As you can tell right now, it's at 0. So what you can either do is just drag this bar to the left to make it less spacing, drag it to the right to make it more spacing, or you can just type in a letter yourself or a number yourself if you want. So if you want 2-line spacing, you can type in 2 and basically just go from there. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can adjust letter spacing here in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.